What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Coach Rai here, and we are entering week number 2 ng 6 weeks to shred series natin. But first of all, thank you so much to Fuel Up by Kekal for taking care of my meals. So ayun, quick recap. Medyo napakain tayo this past weekend kasi nga birthday ni Macy's and ang dami ring leftovers. So ayoko naman magtapon ng pagkain. So kailangan talaga namin kainin yung mga pagkain na hinihanda namin. And thank you so much sa mga pumunta. And ayun, so back to basic tayo. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about supplementation, and i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga supplements na ginagamit ko for fat loss and to maintain my muscle mass during a cut. Okay, so since morning wala pa akong tinitig na kahit ano kasi pagkagising ko, diretso client na ako. And kakauwi ko lang, it's 12:31. So, ayun, tanghali na hindi pa ako nakakain para ako nag-intermittent fasting nito. But anyway, ayun, kakain muna ako and then papakita ko sa inyo yung mga supplements na tinitake ko sa buong araw. So, simula ngayon hanggang mamayang gabi, papakita ko sa inyo yung honest supplement stocks ko and kung ano-ano yung mga ginagamit ko for fat loss. Ayun, okay? So, let's go! Okay, so first meal of the day is protein pancake. So, 15 grams ng protein to. Ang ginagawa ko dito, instead na lagyan ko siya ng chocolate syrup, ang ginagamit ko na syrup is itong Isopro ng USN or itong Blue Lab Whey. Okay? So, ito yung ginagamit kong syrup. Ang ginagawa ko dito is nilalagyan ko lang siya ng konting tubig. Tapos, yun yung ginagawa kong syrup para thick siya. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano. So, ganito lang kaunti yung tubig na nilalagay ko. So, ganun lang kadami. Tapos, 1 scoop ng whey. Para may extra protein tayo. So, yan. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, thick yung texture niya, hindi siya malabnaw. Para mas maganda yung kapit niya dun sa pancake natin. So, medyo napadami pa nga yata yung tubig ko eh. But usually, mas thick yung texture na ginagamit ko dito. So, sobrang konti lang dapat ng tubig. So, yan. So, ito na yung protein pancake natin. Tapos, ilalagay ko lang dyan yung whey. So, yan. So, para talagang super high protein yung pancake natin. Plus 27 grams yan. So, ayan. Solid. So, ayun, nakakain din sa wakas. So, ang go-to protein supplement ko ngayon or protein powder is itong Isopro by USN. 27 grams ng protein, only 1 gram of sugar, and 130 calories siya. Tapos, yung total fat niya is 0.5 grams lang, sobrang baba. And carbs is just 2 grams. So, ayun. Sobrang sulit ito. This is like Dymatize ISO 100. But for me, mas pino to and mas solid to. And when it comes to price, mas mura to ng konti compared to Dymatize ISO 100. And then, another go-to ko is ito namang Blue Lab Whey. Itong Blue Lab Whey, mix siya ng isolate, hydrolysate, and concentrate. So, ito lang yung nakita ko na protein powder na talagang budget-friendly pero yung quality sobrang solid pa rin. 24 grams ng protein per serving. Mas mababa lang ng konti compared dito kay Isopro na 27 grams. And then, ang carbs niya is just 2.2 grams per serving. Fats is just 1.9 grams. So, mas mataas lang din ng konti compared to Isopro na 0.5 grams lang ng fats. So, yun, sobrang konti lang naman ang difference and it's just 126 calories. So, if you're looking for this brand, USN Blue Lab Whey or itong Isopro, available siya sa sharksupplements.com. Pwede kayong order doon, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung discount code ko to get 10% off and free delivery around UAE. But if you are in the Philippines, for sure, available din to. Kasi may mga client ako sa Pinas na nakabili naman ng USN brand. So, hanapin nyo na lang yung legit na USN dealer in the Philippines or kung nasan man kayo. So, after kong kumain ng first meal of the day or yung breakfast ko, ito na yung mga basic supplements na ginagamit ko. So, fish oil, 1,000 milligrams. And vitamin C yung nasa ilalim, 1,000 milligrams. And then, 2 tablets ng kidney support and 2 tablets ng liver support. So, ayan. Before, gumagamit ako ng TUDCA and NAC, kaso naubos na. And nakita ko na meron pa pala akong liver and kidney support. So, ubusin ko muna to and then I will switch back to Tudka and NAC. Kasi sayang naman. So, yan. Basic. So guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa gym, go-workout na tayo. Ito yung ginagamit ko na intra-workout, USN, all-9 amino, full spectrum BCAA plus EAAs or essential amino acids. So mas complete to compared to extend BCAAs. So ayan yung ginagamit ko na brand. So kung kailangan mo ba talaga nito, not really, especially if naka-caloric surplus ka naman and nai-hit mo naman yung certain protein target mo per day. But if you are on a caloric deficit, mas maganda meron ka nito para may support ka for your muscle recovery. And kapag hindi mo nahihit consistently yung protein target mo per day, kailangan mo talaga ng EAAs or essential amino acids. So nandito na tayo sa gym. So i-share ko na rin sa inyo yung pre-workout na ginagamit ko. So ito yung Thunder Bears pre-workout. So gamis siya. So, very convenient. Hindi mo na kailangan magtimpla or hindi mo na kailangan mag-dry scoop. So, tinitake ko to anytime kahit yung workout ko is late night like around 10 p.m. May mga ganong oras kasi ako ng workout kapag sobrang busy. So, okay din siya kasi wala siyang caffeine content. So, sobrang solid din ito sa focus and the good thing about this one is wala siyang crash. Unlike yung, I think, nga ba yung pre-workout na take ko na sobrang nagka-crash down talaga ako. Hindi ko na ubos. I think psychotic yun. So, ayun. So for now, ito yung ginagamit ko, 2 gummies lang before workout, 20 to 30 minutes. And sinasabayan ko rin siya ng creatine gummies. So Power Bears, 2 gummies din per serving. Ang per serving niya ng 2 gummies is around 3,000 milligrams ng creatine, that's 3 grams. So if you will take this one and hindi ka man nakakapag-take na creatine before or you're not taking any pre-workout with creatine content, mas maganda if mag-loading phase ka muna ng creatine, 8 gummies per day. So, kailangan mong i-split yung 8 gummies. Wag lang 1 intake, okay? So, para mag-peak yung creatine level sa bloodstream mo. So, let's say 8 gummies, 2 sa morning, 2 sa midday, and then 2 sa afternoon, and then 2 late at night. So, ganun yung loading phase niya for the first 5 days. So, ayan, Power Bears, creatine gummies, and Thunder Bears pre-workout gummies by FOMO Lab. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box if gusto niyo mag-purchase, okay? So, ayan. Ito yung pre-workout na ginagamit ko ngayon. Yeah! Coach, okay lang mang gumamit ng creatine if you are on a cutting phase or on a fat loss phase. Kasi yung iba, confused sila masyado and bakit daw kailangan mag-take ng creatine? Eh, yung creatine nag-hold down ng sobrang tubig sa katawan, nagkakos ng water retention. So, the good thing about creatine is it gives you strength and extra energy. And yung water retention kasi from creatine is from intracellular. Okay, intracellular siya. Ibig sabihin sa loob ng muscle na pupunta yung water, which is good for your muscles and to avoid cramps also. Hindi siya sa visceral parts na pupunta or subcutaneously. So hindi totoo yun, okay? So iba, tinatanggal lang nila yung creatine sa diet nila if they are on a contest prep and if gusto nilang malaman if yung water retention is coming from creatine or from their diet or maybe meron silang food sensitivity or if they want to know if mababa na ba talaga yung body fat or nagkakos lang ng water retention due to creatine content. So madaming factors and adjustments na pwedeng gawin but overall yung creatine will help you build more muscles and retain more muscle size during contest prep or during a fat loss phase. So, walang problema if you are taking creatine during cutting season. Okay? And the good thing about this brand, Power Bears, is meron na siyang sugar, 2 grams na sugar, and 4.5 grams ng carbohydrates. Bakit? Kasi sa mga hindi nakakala, mas maganda yung absorption ng creatine if you take it with simple carbs. Okay? So, ayan. Solid.
From a long way away, I take risks. Swing round that corner, I can't miss. I can't go back, I can't switch. I can't go back, I can't switch. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, ay, I ain't apologizing.
So, it's 10:55, 10:56 na pala in the evening. So, medyo late na and alam ko kanina nyo pang gusto malaman yung performance enhancement stock ko. But honestly, ito lang yung ginagamit ko ngayon from Accelerate Biotech. So, hindi siya steroid, hindi rin siya SARMs, although usually napapasama tong dalawang to sa SARMs group. Unahin ko na to si MK677. So, MK677 or Nutrobal, this is not a SARM or a steroid. This is a growth hormone secretagogue. Anong benefits niya? It increases IGF production and it can also help you increase your muscle growth. It can help you maintain your muscle, anti-catabolic, especially if you are on a cutting phase like now. If you are on a caloric deficit, syempre mas prone ka sa muscle loss. So, pine-prevent niya yun and it can also increase your appetite. So, if you were bulking and wala kang gana kumain, maganda siyang i-take early in the morning, fasted state. But if you are on a caloric deficit, mas maganda siyang i-take before bedtime. So, ito yung tinitake ko bago matulog. 2 capsules, that's 20 milligrams. And anong benefit na nakukuha ko? Mas maganda yung tulog ko and yung recovery ko the next day, mas maganda rin. So, ito yung tinitake ko. MK677 growth hormone secretagogue. And then, si Supercardarine naman is GW0742. For fat loss din siya and endurance. And, ayun nga, hindi rin siya SARMs. It's a PPAR delta agonist and hindi rin siya steroid. So, itong dalawang to yung tinitake ko ngayon together with the other supplements na diniscuss ko kanina. And, ito yung before bedtime, si MK677 Nutrobal. And then, ito naman yung pagkagising ko sa umaga, empty stomach. Kasi mas magandang gamitin and mas effective tong si Supercardarine if gagamitin mo siya with fasted cardio in the morning. And ito rin si Yohimba and Yayo. This one is from Formolabs naman. It's Yohimba in hydrochloride, 5 milligrams. And ayun nga, mas effective din to if you will take this before your workout on an empty stomach or before fasted cardio. But for me, pagkagising ko pa lang sa umaga, ito nang dalawang to yung tinetake ko. And consider fasted cardio ko na yung 3 to 4 clients ko in the morning. Hindi ako nag-metro o nagta-taxi. Ang ginagawa ko kasi is nagbabike ako. So, yun yung pinaka-fasted cardio ko in the morning. So, pagkagising ko pa lang, Supercardarine, yung hydrochloride. And then, before bedtime, MK677, growth hormone secretagogue. So, ayun lang. Sobrang basic lang. But you need to be consistent with your diet and with your training. Kasi at the end of the day, kahit ano pang supplement you i-take mo, if your diet is not on point and your training is not on point, wala rin kwenta, di ba? So, ayun. If interested ka about GW0742 and itong si MK677, may mga separate vlogs naman ako na discuss ko itong mga products na to. And even yung Yohimba, na-discuss ko na rin ito before. So, ayun, visit nyo lang yung YouTube channel ko and i-search nyo lang doon. Okay? So, nandun naman yun for sure. So, ano pa ba? I think yun lang. Yun pa lang naman ginagamit ko. And I think that's more than enough. And hindi ko na kailangan magdagdag na kung ano pa. If may questions kayo about any product na diniscuss ko, feel free to send me a message, DM me. So, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. God bless.